Alright guys, so today I got an unboxing for you of a Blu-ray player. Now if you follow me on Twitter, you guys know that I really like watching Blu-ray movies. I like the HD quality. And we've been using my brother's PS3 to watch movies. And the same time we're watching movies, he wants to play the game, so we kind of had to buy a new one. And we bought this thing because it was cheap, and Sony, it was on sale at Costco. I think it was $179, but we got it for $109. And I'll try to find reviews on it. It's the BDP-BX2, but I couldn't find any, so I thought I'd make this video unboxing, maybe a review, to show you guys what it's all about. It says it comes with a HDMI cable, you see that right there, and a remote. Has BD Live, 1080p, DVD upscaling. And it says ABC HD. Don't really know what that is, but my camera right here that I'm using has it. Java Power, 24p, that's cool. And Dolby True HD sound. So I'm gonna unbox it, show you guys what it comes with. We'll see what's up. There we go. Might not even upload this to YouTube because it's not the videos I do, but I'll give it a try. I try to find reviews on this. Nobody talks about it. No reviews. No store sell it except Costco. You have to buy it online. I think it's only $120 online on Amazon. Packaging material. Alright. Owner's manual. How to update your firmware. That's good. The remote. Let's see if I can zoom in. No, I don't want to zoom in on the wide. I'm also using a wide angle lens for my camera so I can test out the quality of the wide angle lens. It only costs $10 on Amazon. There it is. The standard cables right here. See? Yellow, white, and red. Some batteries, power plug. See that? It's the batteries and the plug. The HDMI cable. I wonder if it's any good. Whenever you buy an HDMI cable, it has to be HDMI 1.3 category 2 for it to be a good cable. Gold plated is also a little nice. This one's not gold plated though, but I already have cable, so it's alright. And then the player. It is long. See that? It's long, but it's very thin. Got a play button, stop button, open button. Not even in the camera right there. There you go. Blu-ray disc. I got the back. Cables and the USB cable, that's pretty cool. Power over here. HDMI and the LAN, so I could hook it up to the network for the updates, I guess, or the BD Live. And there it is. I might just do a short video on the quality and a little review on the player, but that's the unboxing, and see you guys later. See if I upload this or not.